Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Today I'm bringing you a bunch of summer solstice celebration ideas for the kitchen witches, the art witches, and everyone who wants to revel in the magic of the sunny summer season. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm starting my summer solstice celebration by creating 3 beautiful painted mirrors that will capture and reflect the sun's powerful energy. I'm transforming these simple gold mirrors using vibrant yellow, orange, and red acrylic paints and finishing them with a shimmering gold glitter sealant. 2 of these mirrors will become radiant suns, while the third will bloom into a cheerful sunflower. This summer solstice craft is an artful way for me to celebrate the season as an art witch, channeling the peak solar energy into something beautiful and meaningful. My plan to celebrate the summer solstice extends beyond crafting. I'm looking forward to visiting the San Diego County Fair, where I can immerse myself in the art and home crafts created by talented makers from all over San Diego County. There's something magical about experiencing the creativity of your community while enjoying delicious summer food under the warm sunshine. It's a perfect way for me to honor the abundance and joy that this season brings. I invite you to enjoy watching me paint these mirrors as I share some wonderful suggestions for celebrating the solstice and Litha in ways that bring magic and joy to your own life. If you're someone who loves to get out of the house and celebrate with others, consider visiting a local farmer's market during the solstice week. The energy of fresh summer produce, blooming flowers, and community gathering creates a natural celebration of the earth's abundance. You can select ingredients for solstice cooking while connecting with the people who grow your food. Another wonderful option is to attend an outdoor concert or festival in your area. Music under the open sky during the longest day of the year creates an incredibly magical atmosphere. Or finally, consider organizing or joining a sunrise or sunset gathering with friends or your spiritual community, whether it's on a beach, in a park, or even on a rooftop. Witnessing the sun's journey on this powerful day with others amplifies the celebration. The summer solstice is also the perfect time to reconnect with the carefree joy of childhood summers. Plan a picnic in your favorite outdoor space, complete with all of the foods that made summer special when you were young. Fresh fruit, lemonade, simple sandwiches eaten on a blanket under the trees. The act of eating outdoors with intention brings back that sense of adventure and freedom. You might also consider having a water play session, whether that's running through sprinklers, having a water balloon celebration, or simply floating in a pool while gazing up at the sky. These activities remind us that play is sacred and that joy itself is a form of magic. Another beautiful way to capture that childhood wonder is to catch fireflies at dusk or simply lie on the grass and watch clouds during the day, letting your imagination run free as you reconnect with the simple pleasures that made summer feel endless. For those who love to create, this season offers endless inspiration for magical crafting. Consider making sun catchers using tissue paper or contact paper and natural materials like pressed flowers or leaves. Hang them in your windows to capture and scatter the solstice light throughout your home all season long. You might also try creating a nature mandala in your yard or a nearby park, using flowers, stones, and other natural materials to create a temporary artwork that honors the earth's beauty. The process of gathering materials mindfully and arranging them with intention becomes a moving meditation. Another wonderful project is painting or drawing outdoors. Whether you're capturing the landscape around you or simply letting the natural light inspire abstract color work, the combination of creativity and fresh air feeds both your artistic spirit and your connection to the season. Your kitchen becomes a powerful altar during Litha season, and there's so many delicious ways to celebrate through food magic. Create a summer solstice feast using the season's peak ingredients. Think fresh berries or stone fruits, herbs like basil and mint, honey, and anything that captures the golden energy of the sun. Tomatoes, corn, zucchini, and summer squash are all at their magical peak right now. You might prepare a golden milk latte with turmeric and honey, infusing it with the intentions for abundance and vitality. Baking sun-shaped bread or cookies allows you to literally consume the sun's energy while filling your home with wonderful aromas. Consider making flavored waters with cucumber, lemon, and fresh herbs for a refreshing drink that keeps you hydrated while honoring the water element that balances all this fire energy. Summer solstice foods to work with include sunflower seeds, oranges, lemons, chamomile, St. John's wort, elderflower, and any golden or orange-colored foods that mirrors the sun's radiance. A solstice ritual bath is a beautiful way to absorb the season's energy while creating sacred space for reflection and intention setting. Begin by gathering ingredients that embody solar energy: dried chamomile flowers, calendula petals, orange peel, and a few drops of sweet orange or lemon essential oil. Or if you can collect some fresh herbs from your garden like rosemary, lavender, or mint, even better. Create a simple tea with these ingredients by steeping them in hot water for about 10 minutes. Then strain and add this golden liquid to your bath water. As you soak, visualize the warm water carrying the sun's vitality and strength into every cell of your body. Set intentions for what you want to manifest during this powerful time of year. Perhaps increased confidence, creative inspiration, or the energy to pursue your dreams. Take your time in this sacred space, allowing the water to wash away anything that no longer serves you, while filling you with the radiant energy of the solstice. For a meaningful candle ritual that you can easily incorporate into your solstice celebration, choose a golden, orange, or yellow candle, colors that represent the sun's energy. Before lighting it, hold the candle in your hands and infuse it with your intentions for the coming season. You might focus on personal growth, creative projects, or simply maintaining the joy and vitality you feel during this peak time of year. Light your candle at sunset on the solstice, acknowledging that even as the days will gradually grow shorter, you're capturing and honoring the sun's power at its highest point. Sit quietly with your candle for a few minutes, watching the flame dance and feeling grateful for all of the abundance in your life. You can speak your intentions aloud or simply hold them in your heart. Let the candle burn completely if it's safe to do so, or extinguish it mindfully and relight it each evening until it's finished. Carrying your solstice intentions through the following days. As you celebrate this magical season, remember that every moment of joy, creativity, and connection you experience is a form of worship to the abundant energy that surrounds us. Whether you choose one of these suggestions or create your own unique celebration, you're participating in an ancient rhythm that connects you to the countless generations who've honored the sun's power and the earth's generosity. Let the solstice fill you with the confidence to shine your own light brightly in the world. These painted mirrors will be available in my shop at the link below, ready to bring some of that solstice magic into your own sacred space. May your summer be filled with golden light, joyful adventures, and the sweet satisfaction of creative expression. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art live stream, my crafting live stream, and my monthly Plan With Me live stream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video.